Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Friends, I am Nando and welcome back to my Annapoorni Food Express. Today I brought for you Labra sabji, which is called mixed veg sabji, and you can use this recipe at any Bhog item in festivals. Also, you can try this recipe with rice. If you want to see more vegetarian recipe, please subscribe my channel. Let's go and see. For this, first I take here various types of vegetables like potato, papaya, green banana, taro root, brinjal, pointed gourd, cabbages and banana stem. You can see I cut all vegetables little thick. After that I give here mook pulses. After giving the mook pulses I washed it very nicely. For this first I take a karai and give some oil, then I will give one bay leaves and dry chili into it. After that I will give your fennel seed, white cumin, black cumin, fenugreek and celery seed into it and fried it very nicely. After that I will give here ginger paste into it. After giving the ginger paste, now I will give some salt and some turmeric powder into it. After that I will give some chopped green chili into it. Then I will fry all the items very nicely for 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, now I will give all the chopped vegetables with mook pulses into it. You can see after giving all the vegetables into it, now I will cover it in medium flame and boil it for 20 minutes. Now I will cover it and boil it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, now I will remove the cover. So friends, you can see our all vegetables boiled very nicely. Now I will give the mixed veg masala, which is called Panch Misali masala. I give this. If you want to see the recipe how to make the Panch Misali masala, please comment me. I will upload that video. Then I will give some sugar because it is a Bhog recipe. Now I will mix all the masalas with the vegetables very nicely and fried it for 1 minute more in high flame. After frying it for 1 minute, you can see our sabji is ready to serve. Now I will serve it on a plate. So friends, our today's recipe mixed veg labra sabji is ready to serve. If you like this video, please share this video to your family and your friends and subscribe my channel. So bye for today and see you.